This is lesson 5.3, Inequalities in One Triangle. Your objectives are to recognize and apply properties of inequalities to the measures of the angles of a triangle, and recognize and apply properties of inequalities to the relationships between the angles and sides of a triangle. The exterior angle inequality theorem says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measures of either one of the remote interior angles. So we know that exterior angles are greater than either one of the remote interior angles. And also remember that obtuse angles are greater than acute angles. For number 3, angles whose measures are less than the measure of angle 1. Well, angle 1 is an exterior angle to that triangle, so it's definitely bigger than the measures of angle 5 and 6, because 5 and 6 are the remote interior angles. And also, angle 1 is obtuse, so any acute angle measure is less than the measure of angle 1. Angle 4, 3, and 2 are acute angles, so they're also smaller than the measure of angle 1. So angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 all have measures less than the measure of angle 1. What about angles with measures greater than the measure of angle 1? Well, angle 1 is in this triangle, and it's a remote interior angle when angle 7 is the exterior angle. Since the exterior angle is greater than the remote interior angle, then angle 7 has a measure greater than the measure of angle 1. The exterior angle measure is greater than the remote interior angle. Number 5, angles with measures less than the measure of angle 7. Well, angle 7 is an exterior angle to this triangle, so we know that the remote interior angles have measures less than angle 7. So we know angle 3 and 1 are less than angle 7. And also, since angle 7 is obtuse, then it's bigger than any acute angle in this picture. Angle 2, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 are all acute, so they also have measures less than the measure of angle 7. The exterior angle is greater than the remote interior angle measure, and obtuse angle measures are greater than acute angle measures. Number 6, angles with measures greater than the measure of angle 2. Well, angle 2 is a remote interior angle in this triangle when you're talking about angle 4 being the exterior angle. So we know angle 4 is greater. Also, since angle 2 is acute, then any obtuse angle measure is greater, like angle 1 and angle 7. So the answer is angle 1, angle 4, and angle 7. The exterior angle is greater than the remote interior, and the obtuse is greater than the acute. Number 7, angles with measures greater than the measure of angle 5. Well, angle 5 is in this triangle, and angle 1 is an exterior angle when angle 5 is a remote interior angle. So we know angle 1 has a measure greater than angle 5. And since angle 5 is acute and angle 7 is obtuse, then angle 7's measure is greater as well. Angle 1 and angle 7 are the answer. Number 8, angles with measures less than the measure of angle 4. Well, angle 4 is an exterior angle of this triangle, and angle 2 and angle 3 are the remote interior angles. So we know that angle 2 and angle 3 have measures less than the measure of angle 4. Exterior angles have measures greater than the measures of the remote interior angles, and obtuse angles have measures greater than the acute angle measures. In a triangle, there are angle-side relationships. When the sides of a triangle are not congruent, then you can look at the side lengths and know the angle measures, or vice versa. The smallest angle is across from the smallest side, the middle angle is across from the middle side, and the biggest angle is across from the biggest side. List the angles and sides in order from smallest to largest. For question 1, we're given the side lengths, so let's list the angle measures. From smallest to largest, the smallest side is segment RS. It's across from the smallest angle, angle T. The middle side is segment TS. It's across from angle R. The largest side is segment TR, and it's across from the largest angle, angle S. So smallest to largest, angle T, angle R, and angle S. Number 2. We have the 3 angles. We can now find the 3 sides in order from smallest to largest. The smallest angle is angle T. It's across from the smallest side, segment RS. The middle angle is angle R. It's across from the middle side, segment ST. The biggest angle is angle S. It's across from the biggest side, segment RT. The smallest angle is across from the smallest side, middle across from middle, and largest across from largest. Number 3, you're given the 3 side lengths. Now find the angle measures in order from smallest to largest. The smallest side is segment AB. It's across from the smallest angle, angle C. The middle side is segment AC. It's across from the middle angle, angle B. The biggest side is segment BC. It's across from the biggest angle, angle A. For number 7, in this triangle you have the 3 angle measures. Now find the 3 sides from smallest to largest. The smallest angle is angle E. It's across from the smallest side, segment CD. The middle angle is angle C. It's across from the middle side, segment DE. The largest angle is angle D. It's across from the largest side, segment CE.